Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus 12 and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, with that being said, doing such a reset will also allow you to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. As you can see, I do have a pattern set and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't know it. Now, before I do so, I will warn everyone that doing such a reset will most likely make the device FRP locked, and what that means is when the reset is finished and you go into the setup process of your phone, you will need to verify one of the two things: either your previously signed in Google account that is used on this device before the reset, or the screen lock that was used on this device. But assuming you don't know the screen lock, that only leaves you with a Google account as a verification method. Now, with that out of the way, I will also add that I will be recording a video, next one, guiding everyone on how you can bypass this and then completely remove this kind of protection. So if you don't know either the screen lock nor the Google account, next video I'll show you how you can just get rid of that altogether without verifying anything. Now, be warned, for this kind of process you will need another Android device. Any kind of Android device will work. As long as it has Play Store, you're good to go. Now, with that being said, let's get started with this device. So number one, we need to turn it off, and here I think we get to boot options by holding power button and volume up. Yep. And we're gonna swipe down to turn off the device, and once the phone turns off, we again gonna hold power button and volume up. I will let go of the power button once the OnePlus logo shows up. Now it looks like it might be actually volume down, so let's try that again then. So I haven't checked which combination is used here to get to the recovery mode. So right now I'm trying power button and volume down. Again, I'm gonna let go of the power button once the logo shows up. Okay, there we go. So once you see the language selection right here, you can let go of the volume down as well, and then select your desired language. For me, that's gonna be English. And next, choose Format Data. This generates some random code right here. As you can see, 7377. That is a code that got generated right now for me. If I go back and then select Format Data, as you can see, it now changes. So it's completely independent to your screen lock. So just confirm whatever it shows, whatever number shows for you. So 245, and then select Format. This will start formatting the device, and at this point it's very quick. As you can see, it gives you the pop-up data formatted. You can select OK, and then okay, it automatically reboots the device. So right now it's going to continue the process in the background, and once that's finished, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, reset is now finished, and you can set up your phone however you like. Now in a second, on this device you will see hopefully a lock right here. Come on. I do want to point that out. So the device should be locked for me, come on. Oh, there we go. So I needed to go to the next page. So in this case, my device is locked and it would require me to verify the screen lock or Google account. Now, anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.